What if I told you Mars once had a real water cycle just like Earth? Rain fell, rivers flowed, lakes filled, and maybe even oceans existed. But today, Mars is a frozen desert. So where did all that water go? Around 4 billion years ago, Mars looked dramatically different from the cold world we see today. Scientific evidence suggests the planet had a thicker atmosphere and a much warmer climate. These conditions allowed liquid water to remain stable for long periods. Just like on Earth, the ancient Martian water cycle likely began with the sun. Solar heat caused water from lakes and oceans to evaporate. The water vapor then rose high above the planet, where cooler temperatures caused it to condense into clouds. Those clouds were not just a theory. Orbital spacecraft have discovered minerals and erosion patterns that suggest clouds and precipitation once shaped the landscape. Many scientists believe rain, and in colder regions, snowfall, repeatedly fell onto the surface over millions of years. As rainwater reached the ground, it carved valleys, filled impact craters, and created branching river systems. Some of these valleys stretch for hundreds of kilometers, showing that flowing water existed for long periods rather than only during short floods. Part of the water soaked deep into the ground. Underground aquifers may have stored enormous amounts of water beneath the surface. Some groundwater likely returned through springs, feeding rivers, while another portion froze beneath the soil as the planet gradually cooled. But Mars had one major weakness. Unlike Earth, it lost its global magnetic field billions of years ago. Without that shield, the solar wind slowly stripped away much of the atmosphere into space. As pressure dropped, liquid water became increasingly unstable. The water cycle began to collapse. Rivers dried up, lakes disappeared, rain became rare, then eventually stopped altogether. Most remaining water froze into polar ice caps or became trapped as ice beneath the surface. Some water molecules were broken apart by sunlight, allowing lightweight hydrogen atoms to escape into space forever. Even today, Mars still has a tiny version of a water cycle. Water ice can sublimate directly into vapor without becoming liquid. That vapor travels through the thin atmosphere before freezing again as frost near the poles. However, stable liquid water cannot normally exist on the surface. Ancient Mars reminds us that planets can change dramatically over billions of years. A world once full of life-giving water became a cold, dusty desert. By studying this lost cycle, scientists learn how climates evolve and whether other worlds across the universe could once have been habitable too.